I could talk a lot. I will not do it. It's very hot. I would also like to say thank you to everyone who's here. It's great to see so many people. I hope you will enjoy the next couple of hours with us inside, and I promise you it's more cool inside. I would personally like to thank you, all our employees, for their skills and flexibility here, especially when we're facing some great challenge here. And actually we got this building here. It was full of computer equipment, and they didn't lift the building so fast as should, so it was a big job to do it. Each of you have actually been dealing with matters far beyond your job descriptions, and your willingness to make all this come together has made everything to set out to be possible. Oh, you're sweating too?
Listening, yes.
I would also like to thank our investors, our board members, and in particular our best friend standing over here, Ben. Actually, without Ben, this was not possible at all. I would never have started this project without this man. He has very good skills, his strategic engagement, his passion for the project, and that's why we're here today. Thank you, Ben. I would also like to say thank you to the distributors which already are working together with us. And we all know that without these ones, nothing will happen. So welcome, all of you. Our suppliers here is an important part of this project, and you will see it when you come inside. And I thank you all for the engagement. And actually, there are some have been a little bit more engaged than others. And we especially one distributor here have done an outstanding work. They have not only worked for us, they've actually worked together with us. And it's Jan from Westcoast. This concept here has been my brainchild for more than 10 years. We need to have an inventive business in order to bring constant development to our company and our future possibilities. However, we actually see is a necessary commitment to our future environment for generations to come. If you have certain know-how, and we all have that, in specific field, you should be able to use it and do it in a good way. It is my goal to this Sunstone Water Group to leave a legacy of goodwill and clean water for the world. This huge project, besides my wonderful family, I've been supporting all the time, I'm very pleased to see this long journey now become a reality. Our Sunstone Water Group plant could have been located actually every place on this world. And we actually first looked at Europe, but then we heard about North Carolina and its mild climate. Not today. And well-educated workforce, and that's something that we have here. That's the Research Triangle. It's a very nice place to be. Our search came at a time where thousands of jobs have been lost in this area, so qualified people here was available. Thus, our decision process became pretty easy, and it's also because of Ronnie Goswick, who's standing out here. He did a very nice job. Thank you, Ronnie.
Thank you, Ronnie.
And that resulted actually that we choose Franklin County and this facility here. Thank you. American government have clearly stated we need to create growth based on advanced technology, hand in hand with global opportunities that reduce jobs. And that's what we intend to do. Over the coming years, this factory here will employ a lot of people working not only for the benefit of the society, but also for benefit of the environment as well. Once again, welcome to our Sunstone Water Group facility. And now you are more than welcome to go inside after the ribbon cutting.